Hi, this is Sachin Menon, Head of Indirect Tax, KPMG in India. The budget is out. Contrary to the expectation in some quarters, this budget did not make any announcement which are populist. It is fair to say that this budget is a growth-oriented budget which focuses on domestic manufacture, value addition, digitization of the economy, and promoting exports. Accordingly, the budget proposals are focused on promoting the domestic manufacture and also using the tariff protection to protect the Indian manufacturers from foreign competition. The customs duty proposals are mainly pointing towards a trend where the finished goods are taxed higher, as well as the raw material components parts for manufacturing, the duties are going down. Similarly, the amendment proposed in the GST law is focusing at decriminalization of certain provisions, promoting the digitization and simplification of procedures. Overall, this budget is viewed as a development-oriented budget, laced with the measures to face the headwinds of recession, inflation, and supply chain challenges due to the geopolitical conflicts, to position India as a destination for investment and manufacture. Thank you.